for deregulation of telecommunication sector. Sometimes these are all the pleasant memories we have to remember. At that time, there are two public sector companies. One is BSNL, even today that is there. BSNL domestic calls. Another is VSNL international calls. At that time, my son was studying in America, Mr. Lokesh. As Chief Minister, I was not ventured to telephone to him because of heavy bill. Then there will be question and answer in assembly. I have to answer all those things. And also at that time, there was a lightning call. Immediately they had to connect, expected to connect. It used to take 1 week, 7 days. At that time, there were manual exchanges. That operator is supreme. He wanted to give lightning call, he can give. Otherwise, he will avoid. That were the days. I studied all over the world. Countries are moving very fast, contributing cell phones, everything. Then I used to talk all these things. Then when I spoke about cell phone, everybody heckled me, political opposition. Cell phone can give food or shelter or water, what you are talking, why you are doing all these things, who wants this, like that. Today, after 25 years, wife can live without husband. Husband can live without wife. Both cannot live without cell phone. As a matter of fact, it is a weapon for everything. I can work, I can communicate, I can operate, I can do everything. But not everything. That is where reforms has taken place. Third one, technology evolution. Indians are playing major role. Now India is having advantage demographic dividend. This some of you may not understand. Biggest advantage for India, young India. Always youngsters can take risk. While all other countries are facing aging problem, this demographic dividend advantage will be there up to 2047. Now I can say proudly, India's population is 146 crore population. China's population is 130 crore now. India will increase up to 170, 165. China population will be 100 crores. It is decreasing now. So, Indians can service the Indian community 80%. 20% can service global community now. Both corporate and public governance. That is the power of India. That is the power of population in India by using technology. Nobody can beat India in development. So these are all three advantages. Now, as our friends have rightly mentioned,